good morning. At least it's good morning in Ghana. Thank you for having me again, Nana. I made a promise to you and your audience that I'm going to show you affordable housing in Accra, and here we are. These two properties right here are very affordable. We are close to Pantine Adenta, so I'm going to take you inside, walk you through this amazing property. It's right on the market. Please contact me. My information will be in the description box. Let's go. So we are here. This is the property that I'm going to show you. First of all, let me talk about this property first. It's about 85% done. We're going to go inside. You're going to see that they concentrated mostly on the interior. This property, when it's done, is going to have an automated security door. There's going to be CCTV cameras installed here. Apart from the biogas, we have installed pumps bringing you water 24/7. Everything comes with the cost. Everything comes with the price. So when I'm showing you a property, I'm showing you that what you are paying for is what you are getting. So let's go inside. Let's see what they did. Yeah, we are inside. Forgive me, I'm sweating. It's very hot outside. And as you can see, there are materials here. The construction is going on. If you can hear in the background, you can hear people banging. Work is still going on. They are about to finish the front lawn and everything else. So where we are right now is the massive hall. Behind you is going to be all glass. So you're going to have the view of your gate and of all your compound. This place is amazing. It's so huge. I want to show you the kitchen too, because you know I love kitchens. I mean, this property is not fully finished, but you can see a good property when you set your eyes on it. This kitchen is massive. Just check the space around, and it comes with fully stocked kitchenwares. Here you have your burners, your 4 burners already installed, and it comes with the property, no extra charge. Behind you, you will see the oven and then the microwave, fully stocked, free of charge. I mean, what else do you want? What else do you want? What else do you want? Here is the pantry, huge enough. You have your exit space here. This property, I love it. Honestly, I do love it, and the price is so cool. When we are done with this property, I'm going to tell you the price. Let's go to the bedrooms. I want to blow your mind. Yeah, welcome to the master bedroom. Just breathe it in. As I'm here, I don't feel there's no electrical power in this building. There's no air conditioning, but I feel so cool. High ceiling. That's the secret of high ceiling. I'm trying to be funny, forgive me. I love this property. Just check the detailing of the wooden work, the doors, the closets, the bathrooms. This property has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. I want you to come and take a look at the size of the master bedroom bathroom and the closet space. We're going to try and open everything and see how everything works and how quality they are. Follow me. This is the unfinished bathroom. Just take a look at the space here and the tiling work. Isn't it so beautiful? I love this bathroom. About properties is taking keen note of the fixture and fittings. Now this is the closet. We've already opened it. We are checking how good the closet is. I want to try the top shelves, so I need help. I'm not that tall. hope I will not fall. Yeah. Massive space up here. I can't even reach the top. See, how high are these ceilings? Well, this property also comes with already installed air conditioning. What else are you looking for? And the price is just 140,000 US dollars, right close to Wadenta. I mean, I love this property. I love this property. I love it. I love it. I love it. I mean, I wanted to take the time out to show you the neighborhood that you are buying into. I don't want to just show you the property, but the street, as you can see, everywhere is tarred. There's new construction going on, so new families are moving in, so you don't have to worry about your security or anything. So you have from here, right from here to the main road, it's about 4 minutes drive from here. The neighborhood is amazing, it's beautiful. Apart from the construction going on, this place is quiet, security is on point. This is one of the best properties that I have that I'm really proud of. I'm taking you to the next location in Oyarefa. From here, we're going to drive there, so please stay tuned. I have more for you. Follow me. Yeah. Hello Nana and your audience. This is the second property I want to show you. We are here in Oyibi. It's in a gated community, so I'm going to show you this property. We have a lot of units available, but this one we are renovating it, so please bear with me. Follow me inside and let's enjoy this property too. This is a 2-bedroom. It's within your budget. It's one of the best properties around. We are currently at Oyarefa. Just in front of me, there's a huge mountain view that I love so much. I wish you were here to see this. I'm going to take you through this property. It's a 2-bedroom house with 2 bathrooms. You have your master bedroom and a very huge kitchen. So This property is amazing. I mean, when it comes to the looks, aesthetic beauty, it is very simple, very easy to manage. So apart from buying in here, your upkeep cost is going to go, it's very low. This property comes with already available boreholes. You have your sewage system already in place. The property is in a gated community, so security is on point. You don't get in until they give you a pass. So let's go inside. I'm going to show you everything that it has. It's going to be a quick property tour, so follow me. Forgive me if my enthusiasm is a little bit low right now. I'm a bit tired. It has been a very long property tour, so yeah, this is the hall. The size is very, very good. Although it's not big like the first one that we saw. Well, the price is also not that much. You have your bedrooms here, and then your kitchen here. You have a very huge backyard, and the place is very, very, very quiet. I mean, I can't stress it enough. I love the quiet, and I love the scene. Let me take you to the bedrooms. Everywhere I take you, I let you understand that I love kitchens. Kitchens is one of the best features of a good home. And just feel the space. Feel the space of this kitchen. And I love splash surfaces. I mean, the finishing on this cabinet, it's amazing. I mean, don't mind the dust settling down because we are renovating the whole space. But just look at this. Amazing, amazing. The price tag on this property is just $90,000 US. So it's very, very affordable. And it comes with an amazing mountain view. So just rush in and let me know. Put in an offer as quickly as possible. So I hope you enjoy yourself like how I did. I'm so tired. Today has been a long day. This property is $90,000 US. Please call me. You can call me on +233 5549 50030. I'm saying it again, +233 5549 50030 or oikia.realty@gmail.com. Nana, thank you for having me again. Thank you very much.